guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. Thank you for tuning in. I'm back with a video that is your favorite category, and that's a haul video. This time I did some beauty essentials shopping from Amazon, one of my favorite go-to places to shop from, and I thought of sharing all the products because they actually came very quickly and together, and it became like a stack full of boxes like these, and I thought why not share with you guys what all I got, since I know you guys love my unboxing videos, you guys love my shopping videos. So yes, today I'm going to be taking you through an Amazon beauty haul. Amazon is my favorite app to shop from. It's my most used app in the phone for everything and anything I need, for the house, for my baby, for me, for my family, for gifting, for like, I don't know what is it that you not get at Amazon. You literally get everything under the sun, and which is why we are all so addicted to this app. And the best part is their delivery times, their return policies, everything is so great that everything and anything I need ever is always from Amazon. And the best part is the convenience of just one app and you get it all. There's an Amazon parcel that comes to my house literally every day, and I thought of taking you through a series of videos where I show you guys my various hauls. And with the festive season coming, beauty essentials are a must. We all want to get ready. So the first video I'm actually sharing with you guys here is a beauty haul where I'm going to be taking you through all the makeup and skincare products that I've recently ordered. 2 days and I've mostly received all my deliveries. Of course, I'm a Prime member, so that helps. Without further ado, let me take you through the video and share with you guys my Amazon beauty haul, guys. Starting off with my favorite mascara these days, it's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is one of my favorite these days, guys. It works so well. I'm actually wearing it right now as well, and it just such a good smooth mascara. The lashes feel great, voluminous, and it's a great product at a great price. I just finished one bottle and this is my second one, so I've restocked it and I absolutely love it. One new recommendation of a highly affordable and good quality mascara, and a very long lasting mascara. So that's the first product I restocked from Amazon. Guys, you do get some of the other discount or offer going on Amazon, so the prices obviously fluctuate, but I'll link all of these products down below. So while the printed price of this product is $7.99, I'm pretty sure I got it at discount because Amazon always has some great offers going on. Moving on, I actually needed 2 mascaras, yes, because the amount of shoots I have to do, mascara is one of my essentials. So I actually restocked 2 of my favorite mascaras from Amazon, and this is the second one. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which I also got from Amazon. It's priced at $510, but again, it was definitely on discount. I'll link all of these products down below. This is the second product that I ordered. This is the Lash Sensational from Maybelline and the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. 2 of my favorite drugstore mascaras, and I've restocked both of them from my Amazon haul. I'm literally sorted for my mascara stock at least. I highly recommend any of these. Basically, both of them are amazing. And the next thing is another restock, guys. I restocked my Maybelline foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I ordered from Amazon. It's priced at $549, but again, guys, I did get some of the other discount on it, so I'll link it down below. I've ordered the shade 220. I honestly have a shade 228 already. I actually wanted to go a shade lighter this time because I feel the 228 is a little more towards the beige tone, and I feel 220 is good enough for me. Comes with a pump, which is amazing. Again, one of my favorite affordable mascaras out there. Next restock is one of my favorite lip products. It's a lip sleeping mask. It's from Laneige, guys. Amazon also has Laneige. It has some really good international brands also, guys. I actually ordered a mini because I needed one for traveling. I have a bigger one in this already. I've been using this for a while and I love it. In the night, if you use this, it smells great. It's berry flavor. It smells really nice. And this is a really cute tub that you can carry, especially when you're traveling and you don't want to carry a big bottle. I absolutely love this. I've been using it for a while and I highly recommend. I'll link everything down below for you guys to buy each one of these, but this is the next product that I ordered from Amazon. Next, again, I think I've ordered a lot of Maybelline products because I highly recommend and love Maybelline as a brand for anything affordable makeup and good quality affordable makeup. So I restocked my favorite concealer ever, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm in the shade medium. This is one of the best concealers out there. It's amazingly priced. It works like magic. It's not very thick. It gives a very natural finish. A lot of Maybelline restocks have happened through this haul because I absolutely love the brand and I feel like these are essentials and you get them at a very good price on Amazon, guys. So moving on is I really needed a sunscreen. Whether a summer sun or a winter sun, winters are approaching, I needed a sunscreen. One of my favorite brands for sunscreen is Avène. I've been using it for years now. While I was using the SPF 30 day protector, this time I've ordered the very high protection SPF 50 plus one, because I really feel you need a SPF 50. So this is the SPF that I've ordered. I've heard so much about this one and I really wanted to try it. This is on the expensive side, not very expensive though. Yeah, it's 1750, but guys, again, I had got a much better price on this. I didn't pay 1750 for it. So yes, I'll link down all of these down below for you guys to see, because you know the prices and the discounts also change for the brands. So you know, when you guys see the links, you'll be able to see what the actual discount is and what the price is. I feel most sunscreens are really thick and sticky, but this is the brand that I feel makes one of the best sunscreens, because they're not sticky and they don't give like a cast on your face or anything. It just looks very natural and it's such an important essential. So yes, this is the next product I got. Moving on, guys, I've ordered all of my Real Techniques brushes. Always, all the makeup brushes that I use have always been from Amazon and they've always been from Real Techniques. I wanted to restock and buy another foundation brush. I've been meaning to buy a new foundation brush and I trust Real Techniques brushes so much. I do great price, great quality. My favorite brand for makeup brushes currently and since forever, since I've started doing makeup properly, has been Real Techniques, and their brushes have come out of such great quality. The past 3-4 years I've used them, loved them. So I ordered the Real Techniques complexion blender. It's like a tilted sort of a foundation brush only. We used mix makeup with skincare. It's basically to blend all your makeup, and since I prep my skin so much, I use a lot of oils, moisturizers, and then I add my foundation. So I needed a brush that could quickly blend my makeup. Otherwise, sometimes I actually apply even my BB creams with my hand, but I needed something soft and smooth for my foundations and blending. So this is a complexion blender brush used with liquid foundation, primer, moisturizer or serum. So basically it's to blend anything that you put on your face. It's to prep the skin. Brush looks amazing. Such a nice, I love their brushes, guys, and the bristles are super soft. I think it will be really nice for my skin. This I'm really excited for, because this is a new product that I'm going to be trying, but I trust Real Techniques so much. This is priced at $11.99, guys. Try, I think it looks really nice. I love the fact that it is angular, so it'll be really good for my skin. Last product that I ordered and I've been meaning to order for a while is a nice makeup remover that is actually good for my skin, like an oil-based makeup remover, guys. I have a dry skin and I really feel like the basic makeup removers don't work for me. I've been using the Garnier for a while and I like it, but I still wanted to try out the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oils. I've heard so much about this and I needed an oil based makeup remover so that my dry skin doesn't feel more dry when I'm removing my makeup, because I do a lot of makeup these days because of my shoots and all of that. I needed an oil-based cleanser, so this is gonna be nice. I really look forward. I've heard so much about this product from so many bloggers, and a lot of people highly recommend this. So this is an upgrade of my makeup remover and I'm looking forward to trying it. This was priced at $11.90. That's all the beauty products that I ordered from Amazon, and I love all of these products. And imagine I got everything under the sun of all my beauty essentials, from my skincare to my mascaras to my makeup removers to my lip balms, everything under the sun. Everything that I needed was easily available on Amazon, and it got delivered very quickly at a very good price. That is the convenience of Amazon. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this quick video, and let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer them. I will link down all of these down below for you guys to see and order. If you have any other questions, please write down below and let me know what other haul videos you guys want to see. I'd love to do them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.